Even wonder how your phone opens apps or how your PC runs smoothly? Behind the scenes, it's all thanks to operating system, the real brain of your device. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. An OS is the software that manages your device's entire system, hardware, apps, and storage. It's the first thing that loads when you power on. History of operating system. OS started with mainframe computers in 1915. Then come MS-DOS, Windows, and Apple's Mac OS. Now we use mobile and cloud integrated OS like Android, iOS, and Linux. Why we need an OS? Without it, you couldn't run apps, save files, or use hardware. The OS is the device manages and translators. Main functions of operating system. It handles 5 key jobs, that is managing apps, allocating memory, organizing files, connecting hardware, secure data. Process management of operating system. Think of it like a traffic cop deciding which program run and for how long. That's how multitasking works. Memory management of operating system. The OS gives memories to apps and free it up when not needed, keeping things fast and efficient. File system. Your folders and documents all the organized by the OS so you can access, store and edit them easily. Device management. From keyboard to printer to Bluetooth, the OS controls how your hardware and software talk to each other. Security and access. It protects your device with passwords, encryption, firewalls, and user accounts, keeping hackers and malware out. Popular OS. Windows is the popular on PCs, Mac OS for Apple devices, Linux for developers, Android for phones, and iOS for Apple mobiles. Type of operating system. We have singular user operating system like Windows, multiple user operating system like Unix, real-time operating system used in machines, mobile operating system like Android and iOS. Multitasking and GUI. Modern operating system use GUIs and allows multitasking, making our experience more visual and smooth. Features of operating system. Future operating system will include AI that learns your habits, voice-based control, cloud system for device-independent computing. Conclusion. The operating system is the client hero inside every device. It powers, protects, and makes your digital life possible.